Good morning. This morning or yesterday, my husband made more purchases for May. At the beginning of May, we did our grocery purchases to stock up, but we didn't purchase everything. Some stuff were not available in the store. So yesterday, he was able to purchase the rest of the items that were on our grocery list. So there is vinegar on the grocery list that I took out because I just prefer to use kefir for dressing instead of having the apple cider vinegar. So now let's take a look at the groceries and then I will put them away. And probably what I will do is I'm going to move the camera further away from here. Then I'll bring the groceries. And pretty much what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring them here to this table here. So we have 20 pound bag of rice, £25 of bleached flour, all-purpose flour, and he got some bananas. So I like to use this for crush. Asked for 1 pound of jalapeno. Jalapeno is not easy to find in the store. So what I like to do with this one, I will wash it, take this off, put them in bag and put them in the freezer. So that's that. Now I'll have the receipt and everything here costs $8.33. So now let's move on to the pantry. I'll get a bucket for those. Have that plastic bucket. I have some in the basement, and I'll just put them in it. I think this one will be up for the kids to snack on. might probably leave two here. I'll bring a bucket and put them in it. And then I'll leave this in the basement. It's colder in the basement, so it's not going to rot quickly. So now let's move the camera to my pantry here. And I'm going to move things here. My trash bag, I just put them here. And that's that. So I have two 25-pound bag of flour that I have not opened, bleached flour, but I have some unbleached flour, 5-pound bags out there, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20 pounds of rice. That's 100 pounds of rice. And I have 125-pound of rice down there as well. I have 50-pound bag of pinto bean that we are using already. I have 50-pound bags of popcorn that we opened recently. And that's my staples that I like to have on hand. Yeah, and we stock up for May, but some of those items will go past me. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Afiavi Ojune Liberman, creators of Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel and owners of Nina Soap. And our website is ninasoap.com. That's how I stock up a little by little to build my food supply on budget. When I buy something for this month, I'll buy one extra, and then little by little they build up. And those are things that I use on a regular basis. It's not things that I don't stock up for years. Although things might last more than a year, like the organic wheat berries that I make porridge with. But the purpose of my pantry is for me to shop my pantry when I'm ready to cook dinner. Thank you.